This is Monty with Build Brothers. Started my digital inspection. We're at a property in the North Park area, and what we're looking at is a modified bitumen torch down flat roof. Now the owner has been having leaks, and that's unfortunate because the product was installed several years ago. So a couple things I wanted to point out while I'm up here. You can see this is where the water tends to pond on the corner over here, and there's quite a bit of mastic repair on this roof. So you can see along the wall, and we have a couple open areas as well. So there is drip edge on this roof as well, but again, you can see all the granule buildup, and that shows us where the water tends to pond. So again, anytime we see mastic, especially on the seams, well, that tells us that the product isn't doing a very good job of waterproofing, right? That's why we're getting a lot of water intrusion on this roof. You can see in this corner, ton of granule buildup, and it goes into the scupper drain. And again, you can see all this mastic, and this is exactly where the water's getting in. So all along here, you can see a bunch of repair has been applied on the outside as well. Another thing we like to look at is the penetrations, all the sewer pipes, right? The T-tops and whatnot. We want to make sure those are sealed as well. But again, we see open mastic that's kind of cracking open. So yeah, this roof is not doing its job as far as keeping water out. And looking on this back portion, again, we have a ton of mastic. So that's a red flag in our eyes. Because if a roof is installed professionally, well, and if it's recent, you're not going to need any mastic. So what I'm going to recommend for this roof is TPO. TPO is a synthetic material. It's used on a lot of commercial buildings, and it does a superior job at keeping water out. It's used as a pool liner. It's highly reflective, so it is substantially better at reflecting UV light than torch down, and prevents algae growth. And it's actually mechanically fastened on this flat section versus torch down with an open flame. So that's going to be my recommendation for this flat roof, and we want to make sure that this is nice and sealed so the owner doesn't have to worry about it again. Alrighty, thank you.